Feeling so damn good from the inside out. I'll provide the vibes. Just feel me out.
Okay, so the last time you guys saw me, I did not look like this, but we're actually gonna go see Kevin Hart at City Winery. So I'm going into the city. I have all black on, usual makeup. My hair is down in this little thingy, and I'm gonna wear my black booties. Let me show you. Low-key don't think I can bring my camera, but I'm gonna try to see what I could do with my phone. And yeah, so I'm gonna drink a little bit, drink a little wine, and then we're heading over to City Winery. I just want to have a little something in my system just in case the bar's closed, because the show starts at 11 in an hour, or like 52 minutes. That's when he's supposed to come out. But I just wanted to keep you guys updated, and I will see you later. Hey guys, it's the next morning. As you can see, I clearly slept in my makeup. I'm trying to be productive, and yeah, I don't even know. I mean, this is the MVP lipstick. I already brushed my teeth, everything, and this thing is still on. The MVP by Fenty lipstick. Go get it, because clearly it's doing what it needs to do. I'm gonna use her melt away when I finally like actually remove all my makeup and stuff like that, and that honestly helps with everything. Of course this battery is gonna die. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so we're back in action, but like I was telling you guys, get the Fenty MVP red lipstick. This thing is still on. I already brushed my teeth. I haven't removed all my makeup, but I'm gonna use her Fenty melt away in order to actually get the makeup off. But I'm trying to be motivated right now so that I can study and, you know, be productive, be a productive person of society. So yesterday I met up with Karen and her husband, and we went to go see Kevin Hart at City Winery. It was honestly like a random show that, like, they literally released, like, oh, he's in town, he's gonna do a show here, you guys have like a few hours to buy tickets. And I randomly got an email, and yeah, so it was jam-packed, sold out show. And it was actually really good. Like, I think we paid like $98 for it, which if you've gone to Kevin Hart's shows, you know, like $98, very cheap for his shows. So it was a good time. We had some wine there, and it was good like catching up, because I actually haven't seen Karen since we went to San Diego in April, and it's November now, so it's actually really good to see her husband. And yeah, so I'm trying to get my life together now, because I'm like, okay, we went out once, but we need to be productive this weekend. So that's what we're doing. So I'm about to do some practice questions, because y'all know I already told you there's exam upon exam upon exam. That's just the life of somebody on the journey of being an attending doctor. It's so funny. I have to like clarify it, because people are like, I thought you already are a doctor, which yeah, because I have the degree. But like no, because I'm still in residency. So like there's like different levels. I'm a resident right now. But yeah, y'all, it is November 11th. Happy Veterans Day to anyone who has served. And yeah, so what was I gonna say? No lipstick on my teeth. Okay, I don't even know why I have lipstick on, even though I know I need to like take it off. But it's giving me empowerment. It's giving we're here to work. It's giving we're here to serve. I'm trying to tell myself that so I can motivate myself to answer these questions. But yeah, I don't know. I need to answer these questions. I put myself on like a schedule on my phone so that I can stay motivated and actually get my work done. That would be like the best thing ever, to just get on track. Just get on track. Don't fall off, and just get on track. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. We're honestly not going anywhere. I feel like I cleaned my place and then got ready last night, and it got messy again. So my living room's kind of, and my kitchen's okay. It's my bedroom and my bathroom. So I need to continue doing laundry, do a whole bunch of stuff. And yeah, so let's see. All right. It's always hard when I'm like answering questions and I have my brightness down, because I'm like, girl, you need to look at x-rays. Put the brightness on your computer up. So in this exam there's actually like a lot of ethics questions as well, so it's a little bit kind of funny, some of the questions that they write. Yo, I don't know, this lipstick is literally giving me life. I need to stop like looking at myself and actually study. I'm gonna focus. See ya. Hey guys, I don't even know if I should say welcome back to my channel or what I should be saying, but today is Saturday, November 18th. I just got back from Solid Core, had a good workout, and I'm actually making candied yams right now for Friendsgiving. So right now I'm just peeling the sweet potatoes. Thank God I have this handy dandy thing because it's making life so easy. So I'm making candied yams because I'm gonna be going over to Chloe's and we're gonna have what's it called? We're gonna have our Friendsgiving. So I'm just peeling the sweet potatoes. I'm trying to figure out exactly what to put them in so that like after I peel them. Let me see if I can find a good place for y'all to be. So just rinsing them so it's wet and then using my peeler. I have to make enough for like 13 to 14 people. So I bought a bunch because I was like, you know what, then I'll make some well, not even next week. Thanksgiving is literally like this Thursday. But I'll make some for Thanksgiving as well. So I bought enough for that. So now I'm just peeling the potatoes without also getting my nails caught in this because it keeps trying to scrape my nails. But okay, you don't have to like peel it perfectly, but enough that like the majority of the skin is off. Okay. Are you guys doing anything for Friendsgiving? I'm curious. I feel like Friendsgiving, a lot of people are going to be posting like this weekend, tonight or something. I know some people already had their Friendsgiving last week, but I feel like we're going to see more posts about it. More posts about it this weekend. Damn. This potato skin is hard. I was like trying to wet it before to like loosen it up, but let's see if I can get you guys to see a little bit more.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. The truth is pity, cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. Feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new
bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I go where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I go where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you know what you want. Only been a few hours but it feel like days. Only been days but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
I go where I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
I go where I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wondering why, no you ain't shy,
just finished getting ready. Just wanted to quickly show you my outfit. Let's position you. So I wore this a while ago. It's the second time I've been wearing it. Some jeans. This is a hilarious way to show you guys my outfit. And then my Uggs, black mini Uggs. But I wanted to show you guys the final result. And it is here. Oh, it looks so yummy. So I'm not gonna be, adjust this again. So I'm not gonna be like vlogging while I'm at Chloe's, just because there's gonna be some new people I'm meeting. And again, you don't wanna be having a camera in people's face for no reason, especially when they don't know you. So have my hair in a bun and we're ready to go.
I respect it. I respect it.
It's 31 right now.
I'm sorry, my bad.
Oh boy, see if I can get it up. Come on. Come on.
No!